Hi friends, welcome to Day to Day GK YouTube channel. In this video we are going to cover the current affairs. For regular updates, join our Telegram channel. Also follow our Facebook page for daily updates. Download our free monthly current affairs PDF and current affairs questions and answers from the website. All the links are available in the description below. Come, let's go. Current Affairs Quiz, July 2nd and 3, 2020. Question number 1. Where is the Indian Council of Medical Researches (ICMR) and Regional Medical Research Centre (RMRC) located? Options are A. Bihar, B. Assam, C. Orissa, D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer B. Assam. Indian Council of Medical Researches (ICMR) and Regional Medical Research Centre (RMRC) located in Lahaul in Dibrugarh district of Assam has successfully isolated the SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 virus, becoming the fourth such facility in the country to achieve the feat. Additional question: what are the three Indian companies isolated COVID-19 virus strain in India? National Institute of Virology, Pune, Centre for Cellular and Molecular Biology, and Bharat Biotech, Hyderabad. Question number 2. Who launched Accelerate Vigyan to strengthen scientific research mechanism? Options are A. CSIR, B. SCTIMST, C. SERB, D. DST. Answer C. SERB. Department of Science and Technologies (DST's) Science and Engineering Research Board (SERB) has launched a scheme named Accelerate Vigyan on the 1st of July 2020. Additional question: who is the Secretary of SERB? Sandeep Verma. Question number 3. Who has been appointed India's Ambassador and Permanent Representative to UN in Geneva? Options are A. Rishabh Nath, B. Preeti Reddy, C. Abhimanyu Dev, D. Indra Mani Pandey. Answer D. Indra Mani Pandey. In the Ministry of External Affairs, Indra Mani Pandey is currently serving as the Additional Secretary. Additional question: who is the current External Affairs Minister? P. Jaishankar. Question number 4. Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya campaign launched by which Indian state? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Orissa. Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. The campaign will begin on the 6th of July 2020. Additional question: Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya campaign associated with which field? Education. Question number 5. Intel Capital has bought how much equity stake in Reliance Jio? Options are A. 0.39%, B. 0.89%, C. 1.02%, D. 2.35%. Answer A. 0.39%. With this investment, equity value in Jio Platforms rose to 4.91 lakh rupees crore, while 5.16 lakh rupees crore its enterprise value. Additional question: the headquarters of Intel Capital is situated in United States. Question number 6. Which Indian cricketer has been named as India's most valuable test player in the 21st century by the Wisden magazine? Options are A. Rohit Sharma, B. Ravindra Jadeja, C. Virat Kohli, D. Suresh Raina. Answer B. Ravindra Jadeja. Flamboyant all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja has been named as India's most valuable test player in the 21st century by the Wisden magazine. With an MVP rating of 97.3, the 31-year-old Jadeja was also rated as the second most valuable test player worldwide. Additional question: who is the most valuable player in 21st century by Wisden? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Question number 7. With which country India formed 50:50 joint venture company for LPG business? Options are A. Indonesia, B. Spain, C. Italy, D. Bangladesh. Answer D. Bangladesh. The agreement was signed between the IOC Middle East FZE, Dubai, a wholly owned subsidiary of Indian Oil Corporation (IOC), and RR Holdings Ltd, Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, the holding company of Beximco LPG of Bangladesh. Additional question: what is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. Question number 8. Who is appointed as the Director of Finance in the government-owned Power Finance Corporation (PFC)? Options are A. N.B. Gupta, B. Usha Ananthasubramanian, C. Paminda Chopra, D. Narinder Singh. Answer C. Parimdar Chopra. Power Finance Corporation (PFC) announced Paminda Chopra as Director Finance of the company, succeeding N.B. Gupta, who superannuated on June 30, 2020. Additional question. Power Finance Corporation (PFC) founded on which year? 1986. Question number 9. Who has taken oath as caretaker governor of Madhya Pradesh? Options are A. Anandiben Patel, B. Lalji Tandon, C. Sri Mukta, D. Jeevan Mishra. Answer A. Anandiben Patel. She was given additional charge as MP governor following the illness of incumbent governor Lalji Tandon. She will serve as governor until incumbent MP Governor Tandon's health improves. Additional question. Anandiben Patel is currently serving as governor of which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. Question number 10. When do we observe World UFO Day? Options are A. June 14th, B. June 28th, C. July 2nd, D. July 6th. Answer C. July 2nd. On July 2nd, the world celebrates World UFO Day to create awareness about unidentified flying objects and alien life forms. Additional question. Who is the founder of World UFO Day? Haktan Agdegan. Question number 11. Oxford topper Basili Mohanty appointed as United Nations Policy Officer belongs to which Indian state? Options are A. Orissa, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Manipur, D. Haryana. Answer A. Orissa. Odia girl Basili Mohanty, who brought laurel to the state, winning the prestigious High-Profile Achievement Award as Best Graduate Student at Oxford University, England, has again done Odisha proud, being appointed as United Nations Policy Officer. Additional question. Who is the Chief Minister of Odisha? Naveen Patnaik. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer (CEO) of Central Board of Films Certification (CBFC)? Options are A. Sugumar Rajan, B. Rivinder Bahakar, C. Anurag Srivastav, D. Vinod Amir. Answer B. Rivinder Bahakar. He is a 1999 batch officer of Indian Railway Stores Service (IRSS). He will replace Anurag Srivastav. Additional question. Where is the headquarters of Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC)? Mumbai. Question number 13. Who has become the first African country to submit RED Plus results to the UNFCCC? Options are A. Kenya, B. Tanzania, C. Rwanda, D. Uganda. Answer D. Uganda. Uganda has become the first African country to submit RED Plus results to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC), paving the way to potential results-based payments. Additional question. What is the full form of RED Plus? Reduce emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation (IOC)? Options are A. Mukund Dhunia, B. Balram, C. Mohan Vajraman, D. Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Answer D. Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. Shrikant Madhav Vaidya took charge as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation (IOC). Prior to his elevation, Vaidya was the director, refineries, on the IOC board since October 2019. He succeeds Sanjeev Singh, who has superannuated from the services of the corporation on June 30. Additional question. Who is the chairperson of Indian Oil Corporation? Sanjeev Singh. Question number 15. Which company's vaccine has become the second indigenously developed vaccine to get the permission of the DCGI for human clinical trials? Options are A. Biocon, B. MyLab, C. Zydus Healthcare, D. Cipla Limited. Answer C. Zydus Healthcare. Zydus Healthcare's COVID-19 vaccine became the second indigenously developed vaccine to get the permission of the DCGI for human clinical trials. Additional question. Which has become the first Indian company developed vaccine to get the permission of the DCGI for human clinical trials? Bharat Biotech. Question number 16. Who started the drug discovery hackathon? Options are A. Ministry for Human Resource Development MHRD's Innovation Cell MIC. B. All India Council for Technical Education AICTA. C. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR. D. All the above. Answer. D. All the above. Drug Discovery Hackathon is a joint initiative of the Ministry for Human Resource Development MHRD's Innovation Cell MIC, All India Council for Technical Education AICTA, and Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR. It is supported by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing CDAC, MyGov, and other private players. Additional question. When was the Drug Discovery Hackathon launched? The 2nd of July. Question number 17. Who inaugurated the urban forest at ITO Metro Station, Delhi? Options are A. Prakash Javadekar, B. CAG Rajiv Mehri, C. Piyush Goyal, D. A and B. Answer. D. A and B. The Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar along with CAG Rajiv Mehri inaugurated the dense urban forest. The forest has been created in a park adjacent to the ITO Metro Station, Delhi. Additional question. Who is Rajiv Mehri? Controller and Auditor General of India. Question number 18. Which state government has announced monthly stipend of 3,000 rupees for the lawyers? Options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. B. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu government on July 2 announced a monthly stipend of 3,000 rupees for the lawyers for the time period of 2 years. The decision has been taken to help them overcome financial difficulties at the time of the crisis. Additional question. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Palaniswamy. Question number 19. India stands at which position in the world in terms of foreign exchange reserves? Options are A. 10th, B. 9th, C. 6th, D. 5th. Answer. D. 5th. India's foreign exchange reserves, which currently stand at more than 500 billion United States dollars, are the 5th largest in the world after China, Japan, Switzerland and Russia, as per the International Monetary Fund. Additional question. Which country topped in foreign exchange reserves? China. Question number 20. Who has been conferred the PC Mahalanobis Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition of his contribution to official statistics? Options are A. C. M. Bodge, B. Rajneesh Kant, C. C. Rangarajan, D. Nagilam Jaydev. Answer. C. C. Rangarajan. Dr. Rangarajan was given the award on the Statistics Day on June 29 at a function held in virtual mode. Additional question. C. Rangarajan is the president of which institute? Indian Statistical Institute. Thanks for watching this video. Share your feedback in the comment section.